How to mute sound in Racing League. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are distracted by the in-game sound in the Racing League game and you want to mute that, then the process is quite easy. First of all, launch open the Racing League game on your device, and from the main home screen or the lobby page that looks like this, go to the settings button on the right and tap on it. From the settings menu, you'll be able to see this mute option. Simply tap on the square box right next to mute. After you have this box checked, you'll be able to turn off the sound effect in the game. Now you can cross this out at the top right and you'll not hear any in-game sound in the game. If you want to turn off the sound and play the game, you can also turn off your volume switch on your device and keep it to 0, and that way you'll be able to turn off the sound in the Racing League game. Whether you want total silence or just a cleaner racing experience, here's how you can mute the sound effect. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.